Welcome to Start-Upathon, where your dreams of becoming a boss and CEO can come to life with 10% equity in a groundbreaking startup, and all without needing formal qualifications. Imagine a world where your passion and determination are all you need to succeed. At Persist Ventures, we believe that greatness isn't about what you have, but what you can achieve. Your journey to the top starts with a spark of ambition and a relentless drive to make a difference. Guided by Jim O'Neill, founder of the Thiel Fellowship, the same program that empowered visionaries like Vitalik Buterin and Dylan Field, we're here to ignite your potential. These trailblazers didn't wait for opportunities, they created them, and so can you. Success isn't handed to you on a silver platter. It's forged through ownership and perseverance. With Persist Ventures, you're not just joining a project, you're stepping into the role of CEO, with the tools, support and resources to turn your vision into reality. Our network will help you build, grow and fundraise, transforming your ideas into impactful successes. Think about the giants of the tech world. Uber wasn't profitable for a decade, but with unyielding persistence and strategic support, they changed the game. This is the power of resilience. And it's exactly what we offer you at Persist Ventures. We help you navigate the challenges, scale your ideas, and turn dreams into reality. Remember, it's not just about having a great idea. It's about the persistence and belief that drive you to make it happen. Together, let's turn ambition into achievement. Welcome to Start-Upathon, where your path to success begins today.
So we want to create a pump.fun for AI and tech startups. So it's kind of working title is the Unicorn Factory, and a bit like pump.fun, you upload your project and you pay a fee. So you would upload your video of your pitch, you would put some in writing blurb about it, you would put up the resumes of the founders and a quick brief on the kind of marketing plan. It then has a bonding curve where people can contribute to your business, like but all in crypto. So they put money into the bonding curve until it reaches 100,000 euros, and then at 100,000 euros, you break out, and the tech gets developed for you. The launch then happens in a separate part of the site, so that they can promote to all the users of the site to use the solution that's been created. And we retain a percentage of the business and a percentage of the funds raised. There would then also be a secondary market. Again, it's all in crypto, so secondary market where people can sell, buy and sell the shares, so effectively, or buy and sell the stake in the business, which will be held via the tokens that they got in the first place. So very much pump.fun, but for AI tech software startups.